ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു CSCB ആൻഡ് PSC എക്സാം പാർട്ണർ. 50 ബാങ്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനുകളാണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, എ ഡിമാൻഡ് ഡ്രാഫ്റ്റ് ഈസ് വാലിഡ് ഫോർ എ പീരിയഡ് ഓഫ്, ആൻസർ ഈസ് 3 months. Second one, bank rate is dash to commercial banks. Official bill discounting rate of RBI. Third question, the principle of liquidity, profitability and safety are dash related principles. Answer is bank related principles. Fourth question, Negotiable Instrument Act came into force on, answer is 1st March 1882. Fifth question, when a banker accepts valuables for safe custody, the banker becomes, answer is bailey. Sixth question, when loans and advances are given, the relationship of bank with the customer is, answer is creditor debtor. Question number 7, a derived deposit is opened with the initiative of, answer is banker. Eighth question, the reverse repo interest is calculated on dash basis, answer is daily basis. Ninth question, the Banking Companies Act was renamed as Banking Regulation Act in, answer is 1966. 10th question, the electronic image of a paper check is known as, answer is truncated check. Question number 11, money market is controlled and regulated by, answer is RBI. Question number 12, IDBI is the apex institution in the field of, answer is industrial credit. Next question, cash credit account is, answer is working capital finance. Question number 14, in banking MICR stands for magnetic ink character recognition. Next question, Exim Bank was established in the year, answer is 1982. Next question, a check presented after 3 months is called, answer is stale check. Next question, management of capital issues is a function of dash banks, answer is merchant banks. Next question, the limitation period of mortgage is, answer is 12 years. Next question, India follows dash system of note issue, answer is minimum reserve system. 20th question, lead bank scheme introduced by, answer is RBI. Next question, RBI reduced the validity period of check from 6 months to 3 months with effect from 1st April 2012. Next question, fixed deposit receipt is dash by endorsement, answer is not transferable. CIBIL stands for, next one, CIBIL stands for, Answer is Credit Information Bureau Limited. Credit Information Bureau Limited. 24th question. SARFAESI Act does not apply to loan debts below dash percentage of loan given. Answer is 20%. Next question. Bank overdraft means. Answer is liability. Next one. A savings bank account becomes inoperative after. Answer is 2 years. Next question. Dash is a secondary function of commercial banks. Answer is transfer of funds. Next question. Intelligent ATMs are called. Answer is CDM. Next question. At the beginning, the minimum paid up share capital of new generation banks are. Answer is 100 crores. Next question. At what rest compound rate can be given on term deposit? Answer is quarterly. Dash banks are specified institution in financing long-term industrial credit. Answer is development. Development banks are specialized institution in financing long-term industrial credit. Next one. In a promissory note, the person who signs the document is. Answer is promisor. Next one. According to section 131 of Negotiable Instrument Act, a collecting banker gets statutory protection only for. Answer is crossed checks. Next question. If there is a economic deflation, bank rate will be. Answer is lowered. Next question. Purchasing and selling of government securities by the central bank is a technique of. Answer is credit control. Next one. IDBI is the apex institution in the field of. Answer is industrial credit. Next one. Holder of a negotiable instrument defined in section dash of the Negotiable Instrument Act. Answer is 8th of the Negotiable Instrument Act. the question. An endorsement is valid only if it is a dash endorsement. Answer is regular. Next one. Short-term loans are generally for periods up to. Answer is 15 months. Next question. National Rural Credit Stabilization Fund is under the control of. National Rural Credit Stabilization Fund is under the control of. Answer is NABARD. Next question. Which part of Banking Regulation Act is applicable to cooperative banks? Answer is part 5. Next question. The first land mortgage bank started in India was established in Punjab in the year. Answer is 1920. Next question. The first district cooperative bank was set up at. Answer is Ajmer in Rajasthan. Next question. No joint account is permitted in the case of. Answer is 2 minors. Next question. When date of maturity of bill is public holiday, as per Negotiable Instrument Act, the bill is payable. Answer is on the preceding day. Next question. Garnishee order is issued by. Answer is civil court. Question number 47. The Credit Information Act was passed in. 23rd June 2005. Next question. A check bearing a date later than the date of issue is. Answer is post-dated check. Next question. Dash is a short-term financing which are granted to industrial establishments until a large or longer-term financing. Answer is bridge loan. Last question. Dash banking is known as operation for the masses rather than for the classes. Answer is retails. Thank you all.